Now, I think I might have a video of this already, but this car was here when I first got here, okay? And it's supercharged. Let me show you all. Come on. There you go. Supercharged. So, this car was here when I first started, like my first day. And about that same week I started, this thing got sold and delivered. So I never got a chance to really make a video of it. And I might have already made a video of it, but not realizing it was the same car. But it is sold again. So, now we're knowing, I'm going to enjoy this a lot more. This is a cold start. I think it's been sitting here about 2 weeks. I think. But, of course, this is not really to see if it starts, because we know it should. This is more for you to hear what it sounds like, especially in an enclosed area. And they do hate us up there. To the point where we got to move out of here pretty soon. So this is really not going to help anything. So let's see which one of these keys starts you. Is it this one? Oh, the wheels. Son of a... It is that one. Okay. Let me move the seat back a little bit. Alright. Key on. Uh-oh. That's not good. Let me see if it does anything. Okay, either the battery's dead or there's a kill switch. Get back with you in a second. Alright, try cheating, got the battery charger on. I don't see, of course they are supposed to keep hidden, but I don't see a kill switch. Oh, fuck. Light's not on. Well, let's see if we get anything. Oh, okay, she's gonna start. Alright, here we go. We'll pump it twice and crank them up. Now let's do this the right way. Gentlemen, start your engines. Piece of shit. Let's try that again. Gentlemen, start your engines. A little bit hard of a cold start. There's a supercharged depression. Or is that fuel ratio? That is, oh. I don't know what that is. Coolant. Wideband. So, where's the boost gauge? Got no gas either. There's boost over there. Alright. Let's do it. Come on, clutch. Back in a minute. Alright, got the door closed and the building locked up, so let's take it across the street. Reverse is, it's a 5-speed. Thought I would have been a 6-speed in this bitch. like this in mine. I think I would have. She's responsive as fuck. Holy crap. Oh yeah, she got some balls. Awesome. This is it. This thing went for 100 grand, I believe. So, awesome. I'm gonna miss this thing.